Alright guys, so really quick I'm going to show you guys how you can record slides with closed captions. So if you can, hold on and I will get you guys going with that. So one way to add the accessibility feature of closed captions is to kind of app smash your Google Slides app as well as Screencastify. So I'm going to walk you through those steps right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you've got Google Chrome installed. You also want to make sure you have the Screencastify add-on for Google Chrome installed. Then we're going to go ahead and begin our recording in Screencastify. And just a reminder too, if we are prompted at any time to allow for microphone or camera access, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we do that as well. So let's go ahead and get going on that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got that up here for Screencastify. It's a little icon that looks like this. And again, if you don't have that, just go to screencastify.com and make sure you install it. I'm going to go ahead and launch Screencastify, and as you can see I've got my microphone enabled here. I'm using a webcam mic, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. It's my default one or the desktop one, it doesn't really matter. And I can tell that I've got my microphone active because I can see my little sound bar jumping around right there. The next thing I want to make sure is if I'm using my webcam, and this is a great way if you wanted to add picture in a picture, you can certainly do that. But right now I'm just going to allow for the microphone. But again, if you are prompted, that prompt will appear over here on the left, and you want to go ahead and add that. Alright, so now I'm recording. I'm going to select my screen here, and just this screen is the one I want right now. So now I'm recording within Screencastify. Once I've started my recording, I'm just going to come back to my Google Slides that I've got prepared. And I'm going to present. So after I present, all I have to do is turn on the closed captions. So I'm going to present, and down here in the bottom left hand corner I see that captions. I'm going to turn that on. You'll notice that right away it picks up on my voice and it turns it into text on the screen. This is a great way to add those closed captions to any of your Google Slides or any of your presentations. Alright. So once I'm done with that, I can just go ahead and hit escape. And if I'm done with my screen recording, I'm just going to hit my stop sharing right here for Screencastify. And I've got my video, and it should be ready to go. You'll notice that. I can edit up my video if I'd like to trim it up a little bit. I can open that editor if I've got the pay version. But hopefully you'll notice again right away it's got those screen recordings right there. From this you can add this to your Google Drive, you can share it, publish it to YouTube so that you have access to that. So there are many different ways you could do that. This is just one way that you can add closed captions to Google Slides. Thank you.